Our industry is under more margin pressure than ever before. Competition is fierce, with less pricing control, and the only area a provider can influence is operating expense. Many operation processes are manual and time-consuming and are ripe for automation. So how can providers automate their manual processes to lower Opex and eliminate human errors? Let Ribbon's Muse multi-layer automation platform do the work for you and automate your manual processes. Muse offers workflow automation for manual tasks. Muse's workflow engine creates automation workflows for any NOC operation. You can execute predefined automations or create your own using low-code tools. This demonstration shows how Muse uses an automated workflow to help an operator configure service attributes such as QoS on multiple ports. In this demo, we're going to show the automation of setting up the QoS of these 3 Ethernet ports. Prior to automation, this would require 3 individual sets of commands. We start by building an automation workflow using the low-code Network Designer tool. You can use predefined workflow automations or design your own. The building blocks to create a workflow are shown on the left, and this is how simple it is to build a workflow step by step. Now the workflow is up. As a first step, let's demonstrate the workflow to automate setting up QoS on multiple ports in action. Let's start with selecting which nodes we want to configure the ports on. These are the exact 3 ports we want to configure. Let's now look at our options for the workflows. Here's a list of all the available workflows. Now, let's execute the selected workflow. You can see every step of the workflow by clicking on an individual item and observing the input and output of each step. Here is an example of the tool creating all the necessary commands to configure a single Ethernet port. It should be noted, the long list of commands required to perform even a single configuration. The value of automation only improves the greater the number of ports to be configured. Here's an example of one of the ports being configured after running through the workflow. Free up your operations staff for more value-added activities for your business. Accelerate time to service and eliminate human error, all while lowering your overall Opex. Muse works across both IP and optical network layers. It's time to automate your network and set your operations staff free with Muse multi-layer automation platform.